Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble with Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend. And today I have a 2021 Dodge Durango RT model to tell you about. So for 2021, the Dodge Durango has been completely redesigned. Exteriorly, it has a much sharper look. I personally am a big fan of these new LED daytime running lights. I think they look vicious. They look like fangs, a little tiger claw in there. And this one, being a Hemi model, definitely has a lot of power for that family looking for a vehicle that's going to be a heck of a lot of fun to drive. This one, along with its unique styling, comes with some premium radar red leather seats and stitching throughout the interior of the vehicle, giving it a wonderful Dodge look that's very sporty, that I'm sure everyone can agree looks really good. And that's only scratching the surface. For 2021, the Dodge Durango has the new 10.1 inch Uconnect 5 screen that has more capability than any radio screen on the market currently. It's our newest radio screen. We're super excited about it. It's one of the most responsive and has the most technology packed into it that you would expect. And just to name a few, you can now use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly with the system. So you used to have to connect it with your factory phone cable, and now you no longer do. So if you're interested in driving a heck of a fast Dodge Durango and getting a great deal for it, come on down to Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend and take it for a test drive today.